Okay, if you are doing a project, maybe remodeling a room, and you don't want to actually hire an electrician to come in and you don't feel comfortable doing all the electrical work yourself in order to turn on and off your outlets, or if you just want the convenience of not having to walk over to the lamp to turn it on and off and you want to start using a remote control, then this product is for you. I found these on Amazon. I'm actually creating a cigar lounge in my basement and I wanted to be able to turn on all the different lights without actually having to walk over and turn them on. Sounds kind of lazy when I say it out loud, but these things just plug right into your existing outlet, and now whatever you want to turn on and off, you just plug into this outlet, and now you have a remote control that is clearly labeled 1 through 5. You just simply have an on or an off, and each one of those buttons is going to correspond to one of the specific outlets. So for example, this one has a number 2 on the back, so the number 2 slot here, you can either turn it on or off. And that's it. It also has an on and off switch on the side of it in case this runs out of battery. You can just walk over and turn the outlet on and off. But these are great for me. I can put fancy lights around the cigar lounge as I'm building it, and then when I want to turn on everything, I can just turn on all the lights and turn off all the lights without having to run electrical wires to actually control the lights, which is, for me, a really big plus. So if you are looking to wirelessly control your devices in your house, and especially like I'm doing, if you're doing some sort of construction project and you don't want to hire an electrician in order to put in light switches, this is an elegant solution that I found on Amazon that I am using and that I would definitely recommend.